beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that the normally station never end. As you all know, this is Progress the Analyst, and I am here to give it to you. Please, there's every reason why you need to subscribe to my channel, because here you know if they come woto. We give it to you back to back the way you they want some, and you know say we know they add to any of the matter. Now as it take come raw, now so we take the drop out for you. We know they miss some. Now so we they talk am. So please subscribe, and also you can also join our membership to support this channel. Abba, please make sure you share our videos. Okay, so I have a lot that I'm going to discuss with you now. Sit back, carry your joko, and let's move into the update direct. So the first thing that we are going to talk about today, we are having a lot at hand today. You know about the Biafran International National Team Football Club. Yes, so I don't know say that football matter, it pain a lot of people. I never expected it this way. I don't know say a lot of people said they would listen to Simon Ekpa even the way I do. I can see say a lot of crash just happen. People are dragging, people are talking about this football issue. So you trust Progress the Analyst. I'll come talk am as CBO. I'm not there for that one they talk. So me, I go still come ask some people some questions. So now know me, when you see me, you know say hey, I don't sabi say I want ask some people question, and I go do. So we want invite one of our brother come. When he come talk say a lot of problem, they like the heat when Simon Ekpa they give him is just too much. So make I ask this our brother some questions. My brother, what has Simon Ekpa really done to you? What is really happening? Is it disturbing you? Is it making you not to focus on what you are doing? Please tell us.
Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa. Zuwenike. You cannot stop amazing me. Every day that I open my telephone, only what I'm going to be seeing is idiocy and stupidity.
Hey, this one is going to shock you, because a lot of people did not really believe after that video surfaced about the national team. A lot of people call the talk say it be like saying that some people they fund everything when Simon Ekpa they do, because they can't sit down, think about the expenses, think about the income, think about everything, the jersey, the feeding, the flying, everything, taking care of football team. If you not get body, not put body. Now this brother they ask one question, say how the money till they come, how this thing they happen, who they really they fund the bond. May we listen to this our brother first, then we go talk about waiting they talk and who they believe say they really they fund Simon Ekpa.
Stand. Who are those that are behind this nonsensical and the stupidity in you? This is under 19 Biafran national team. Just look at them. Look at them. This is what Simon Ekpa and this group called Government in Desert set up, telling you that they have already have under 19 Biafran national team. These people are just mocking Biafran Restoration Project.
So after that question, one of the DOS member, I think Dality, as the Hot TV, yes, so now therefore come follow us answer some of all these questions. This one I waiting to talk, though I'm going to put it there so you can read it yourself what he said about people that are really funding it. Anyways, he finally agreed, say of a truth the football team is real. Now this is his response. He said there is a serious funding from some foreign powerful oil companies. Say now oil companies, now them they fund this Simon Ekpa. He said, who are the enemies of Biafra? These companies are sponsoring Simon Ekperima to reverse this movement from all angles. He said these companies, they are funding him for him to be able to reverse the struggle. Can you imagine forming a Biafra team with hired white people? That one self, they're surprised. That one I first people shockalize them. Say, I how come this guy was able to fund this national team, and also e come still hire oyibo white man to dey work for am? You know what it takes. Then they said, can you imagine forming a Biafra team with hired white people who are doing the job of the enemies of Biafra? He said now they are against autopilot team, but they call it Biafra. I have a lot to say, but time shall tell. He said that these people, they are autopilot, but they call the team as Biafra. Said they have a lot to say, but time shall tell. But finally, what I want to give to you is that this, as the Hot TV, he agreed that of a truth, these players, they are real. So that one for you to know that he finally agreed, although he did not even like argue, because he saw everything. He see and said the thing na real, say footballers storm that place. So he just said that his own is that he just imagine, like, so furious, say how come this man is able to fund all these people? Like, it's not easy, of which you know say that one not be wetin that they discuss. It's not really easy. A lot of money is involved, but his mind now is that who is these people funding this thing? He said na companies, foreign companies, now that they robust this guy steady for her to they do wetin they do. So let us continue. When I thought I have seen it all, I never knew, say I never ever start. Now, who are those people saying that DOS they fail? Now make other people God they go they join Simon Ekpa. I beg. Now your mouth we hear, now you go still tell us about them very well.
Most of our people will be telling you that they will be saying, you know, some of them that they are masquerade. You can't even see their face. They will be telling you, the leadership should step up. DOS should step up. That is the reason why people are following Simon Ekpa. Oh God, nobody begs you. Nobody begs you to follow DOS. Follow Simon Ekpa. And this is exactly what you are going to be getting every single day. Lies. And our people, so much love. People are falling. Blood are falling. This and that.
So let us go into the football news properly, that talks about this football, the tournament, everything that you need to know, because a lot of people are so confused. People, they ask questions like which tournament, where they for play the football, and so many others. May we roll the football news now. Oh yeah, follow.
Look at the football team. Look at them. According to him, he said that he was on telephone with them, encouraging them, strengthening them. For what purpose? For these people that you are seeing now. These people you are seeing, did they resemble Biafrans? Did they look like Biafrans? You know, our people so much love noise making. Our people embrace lies and deceit. Like something is happening, why nothing is happening. Our people just want people to be giving them hope. 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 We are not here for illusion. There is nobody that is going to give you hope. I believe in reality. Anything that is going to happen, you are going to see it physical. The idiot in Finland called Simon Ekpa was on interview bragging, raising shoulder that they have already set up on the 19 Biafran football team. And this is there here. This is the people you are seeing here. Our people, I don't know when we will learn and understand the lies of these people called government in desert. According to them, they played yesterday. But the question that I want to ask, which tournament are these people playing? And which country did they travel to? And who are they playing against? Wow, Mazo Kendo Ketchuli General.
So let us go into the football news properly, that talks about this football, the tournament, everything that you need to know, because a lot of people are so confused. People, they ask questions like which tournament, where they for play the football, and so many others. May we roll the football news now. Oh yeah, follow.
Welcome to Biafra Express Sports on Biafra Express Cross, your dedicated source for the latest sports coverage and updates. We bring you a special broadcast today from the Algarve Elite Cup in Portugal. where the Biafra Under-19 national team is making history in their first ever international tournament appearance. The excitement is palpable, and the stakes are high as the Biafran team competes to establish their presence on the global football stage. Yesterday marked a monumental occasion for the Biafra U-19 national team as they took to the field for their opening match against FC Twente Heracles. Despite a tough 4-1 loss, the team displayed incredible resilience and determination, leaving fans filled with pride and optimism for the future. This match wasn't just a game. It was a symbol of unity for the Biafran people and their unwavering commitment to seeing their nation recognized on the world stage. Prime Minister Simon Ekpa was among those who watched closely, expressing his joy and pride on social media following the match. Prime Minister Ekpa shared his thoughts on the match. 11,000 viewers tuned in within 40 minutes to watch our national team play. This is a historic moment for Biafra as we stand tall on the international stage. I'm happier than the winning team because Biafra has been well represented in this international tournament. These young talents symbolize the future of Biafra football. Prime Minister Ekpa's words resonate deeply within the Biafran diaspora and across the globe. This debut is more than just a match. It's a pivotal step toward establishing Biafra's identity in international sports. The pride and determination of the team will undoubtedly inspire many as the Biafra Football Federation continues to grow. Looking ahead to today's action, Saturday, November 16th, the Biafra U-19 national team will be back on the pitch with two crucial matches in the Algarve Elite Cup at the Estadio Dr. Francisco Vieira in Silves, Portugal. The team faces another challenging day as they battle Group B opponents for a chance to climb the rankings. Here's the full schedule for today. Group B matches, 15 o'clock, CF Biafra versus SL Benfica, 15:50, TCA versus FC Twente Heracles, 16:40, SL Benfica versus B93 17:30, TCA versus CF Biafra. These matches will be vital for the team's morale and standings in the tournament. The determination shown in yesterday's match is sure to fuel their drive for success today. But the competition is fierce, and with teams like SL Benfica, the Biafran team will have to dig deep to secure a win. While all eyes are on Group B, let's take a look at the fixtures in Group A, where some of Europe's top youth teams are also competing for glory. Group A matches. 10 o'clock, Vitoria Guimarães versus AZ Alkmaar, 10:50, HIK Hellerup versus SC Braga, 11:40, HIK Hellerup versus Vitoria Guimarães, 12:30, FC Helsingør versus AZ Alkmaar, 13:20, FC Helsingør versus FC Twente Heracles, 14:10, SC Braga versus B93. Today's matches are set to deliver exciting moments with top-level talent on display. The spirit of football is alive here in Portugal, and it's a reminder of the global community that Biafra now stands proud within. For those unable to attend in person, the action is being streamed live by Solid Sport with an exclusive access pass for all Biafrans and supporters. Prime Minister Ekpa took to social media to encourage fans to support the team through legal and ethical streaming options. He said, "Solid Sport has made a tournament all-access pass for all Biafrans and fans for just €5 per game or €19 for the full tournament. Let's unite and support our team legally and ethically." Thousands have already tuned in to cheer on their team. And with Prime Minister Ekpa's call to action, the Biafran spirit is alive and well across the globe. Beyond the scoreboard, the Biafra U-19 national team has become a powerful symbol of unity, pride, and hope for millions. Prime Minister Ekpa's words of encouragement have been a beacon for Biafrans everywhere. He reminds us all of the importance of supporting the team as they lay the groundwork for a future where Biafran football can thrive on the world stage. This is the beginning of the journey for the Biafra Football Federation. Let us support our team just as other countries rally behind their national teams. These young players are our future, and we stand with them as they shine on the global stage. The team's base in Oslo, Norway, and their participation in Portugal are proof of the dedication, hard work, and belief in this historic project. Yesterday's debut match against FC Twente Heracles, although a loss, marked an important chapter in the story of Biafra's rise on the international scene. The team showed that they belong in this tournament and that they will continue to fight for recognition, success, and glory on the football field. Today's matches are another opportunity for the Biafra U19 national team to make a statement. They will fight to rise above the challenges and demonstrate that Biafra's future in football is bright. As the Algarve Elite Cup continues, we urge all Biafrans and supporters to rally behind the team. Stay tuned for live updates, match highlights, and exclusive player interviews throughout the day. Follow the official tournament social media channels for exclusive behind-the-scenes content and keep it locked to Biafra Express Cross for comprehensive coverage of this exciting journey. Thank you for joining us today. Let's continue to support the Biafra U19 national team as they make their mark on the world stage and pave the way for the future of Biafran football. Good luck.
So, after listening to that, are you really confused or convinced about everything? Are you still confused or you are not convinced that of a truth something happened? Now, there is one that struck me also from the DOS, whereby he said something concerning the wife of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I'm bringing it here because me myself I don't understand very well. So I know as you there, you go help me. This is what he said, and this is the right up. He said, if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife is actively fighting with her husband, let all principal officers stop hiding their wives. Let's go get Biafra now. My people, now you go explain again, because as I did so, I'm lost. You go explain that particular statement. Now make me cover my eye. Explain it to me. Is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife fighting with the husband? He said actively fighting with the husband. Hey, I beg, drop your opinion for me for the comment section. This is coming from a reliable source. You see the name, everything. He said if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife actively fighting with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, all principal officers need to bring their wife. Does that mean 3 things do 9 things, please? I leave that for you to answer. So, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do to like the video, share, and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the analyst as I bring all the updates to you back to back. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.